Good morning, student. Today we start exercise 14.9. Some word problem related to percentage. So we start. We have here 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, I explain 4 questions for you, and remaining 6 questions you solve by yourself by seeing this video and understand the concept. So let's start here. Ramesh get us monthly salary of 9,500. Ramesh, a person who gets the salary of this much, he pays he pays 10% of it as rent. He pays 10% of it as a rent. He pays 10% of salary as rent. What is the monthly rent he pay? We have to find the monthly rent what he pay to that landlord or uh, owner of that house or land. So here we start. Monthly salary of Ramesh is 9,500. He pays 10% of salary as rent. He pay monthly rent is equals to 10% of 9,500, isn't it? I left here rupees sign. So how we find this? As we do in exercise 14.8. First of all, we change this one as a fraction, 10 by 100 into 9,500. Now we cancel 0 0. We get 950 rupees. Okay. Hence we pay monthly rate equals to rupees 950. Now for question number 4, I have chosen for you to solve this question. 30% of students in class 5 are girls. If the strength of the class is 50, find the number of girls and the number of boys in the class. We have to find the number of girls and boys, and 30% of students are girls. Okay, so let's start here. Solution. Percentage of girls in class equals to 30. Total number of students, that is 50. Now number of girls, that is 30% of 50. So 30 by 100 multiply by 50, that is 15 girls. So this is the answer, means we have to write hence. So this is 15 girls. Now we have to find number of boys also. Number of boys. So how we find? We subtract 15 from 50. Okay. So how much we get here? 45 boys. Okay. So here hence number of boys is 45 and number of girls is 15 in the class. So like this we have to do this word problem. You have to write appropriate word. Okay, I mean the language. So here I choose question number 7. First we read question number 7. Lakshman Lal owned a property worth rupees 6,000. He gave 75% of his property to his wife, 15% to his son, and remaining to charity. What amount were received by his wife and son? So first we write the what you have to do. We have to find the 75% of 60. We get the amount what received by wife, and we find 15% of 60. We find the amount received by son. Now property owned by Lakshman Lal, that is rupees 60,000. Now wife get 75% of property, amount get by Lakshman Lal, that is rupees 6 into 75%. Sorry, we can write as 75% of rupees 60,000. Okay, one more zero. So here we go, 75 by 100 into 60%. Now we cut first of all 0 and 0. So we left with 1, so no problem, there is nothing to cut down. So we multiply this one to this. So first of all we write 0. Okay, we don't multiply 0, and then whatever number left we multiply it by 75. 75 into 6. Rough work. You have to multiply. Okay. So it is 75. 7 5 30. 3. 7 6 are 42. That is 45. When we add, we get 45. So what is 45? 4,500. So this is the amount that received by his wife. Now amount for the first son get 15% of property, amount it is received, received by wife. Amount received by son, that is 15% of rupees 60,000. It is 15 by 100 into 60,000. Now we cut this thing. How much you get here? 6. 15 6, if you know it is 90. I don't know, then you multiply it. And here 2 zeros is left, that is this much. Here 2 zeros are there, no? Sorry. So wife received rupees 45, and son received 9,000. Now tail number. Last question I explained to you. Asha examination marks were English 12 out of 15, Hindi 18 out of 20, Maths 18 out of 25. Change these marks into percentage and arrange them in ascending order. First of all, we have to change all the marks which is in fraction in the percentage, and then we have to arrange in ascending order. So how we change fraction into percentage? By multiplying it by 100. So let's remove English, that is 12 by 15. When we change 12 15 into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100, isn't it? Now we go with table of 3. 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, and 0. That is 4 into 20%, that is 80%. Okay. Now Hindi, that is 18 by 20. So in next line we multiply 8 by 100 and give decimals. It's by percentage sign. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, that is 90%. Now last one is math. 18 by 25. So 18 by 25 into 100. 25 1 ja 25. Sorry, 5 5 ja 25. 5 2 are 10 and 0. 5 1 ja 5 4 ja. So how much we get here? 8% sign we have to write. Okay. So when you multiply 18 4 ja, we get 72%. So we have to arrange in ascending order. Hence percentage of marks in ascending order. That is, first of all, we are at 72%. It is less than 80% and is less than 100. So this is the arrangement. So that's all for today. In this is the last class of this chapter. In next class we start a new chapter. Thank you.